Welcome to this geometry lesson on the angle addition postulate. Today, we are going to learn how adjacent angle measures combine to form larger angles. This is a fundamental concept that you will use throughout your study of geometry. Before we dive in, let's quickly review what an angle is. An angle is simply formed by two rays that share a common endpoint. This endpoint is called the vertex. The space between these two rays is known as the interior of the angle. The key to this topic is understanding adjacent angles. Adjacent means next to. Two angles are adjacent if they satisfy three conditions. First, they must share a common vertex. Second, they must share a common side or ray. And third, they must not overlap in their interiors. Think of them like two rooms in a house that share a common wall. Here is the angle addition postulate. It states, if point B lies in the interior of angle AOC, then the measure of angle AOB plus the measure of angle BOC equals the measure of angle AOC. In simpler terms, part plus part equals whole. Let's look at this visually. Here we have a large angle, angle AOC, outlined in green. Inside, we have a ray OB that splits it into two smaller angles. The red angle OB and the blue angle BOC. The postulate tells us that if we add the measurement of the red angle and the blue angle together, we get the measurement of the entire green angle. Let's try a numerical example. Suppose we have two adjacent angles. The top angle measures 40 degrees and the bottom angle measures 25 degrees. To find the total measure of the large angle, we simply add them together. 40 plus 25 equals 65 degrees. Sometimes you might know the total and one of the parts. Here, the entire angle is 120 degrees. We know the bottom part is 50 degrees. To find the missing top part, labeled x, we subtract. 120 minus 50 equals 70. So, x equals 70 degrees. We can also use algebra. Here, one angle is 3x and the other is 15 degrees. The total angle is 75 degrees. We set up the equation, 3x plus 15 equals 75. First, subtract 15 from both sides to get 3x equals 60. Then, divide by 3. We find that x equals 20. To wrap up, remember these key points. Adjacent angles share a vertex and a side with no overlap. The angle addition postulate is just the idea that part plus part equals whole. You can use this simple rule to find total angles, missing parts, or even solve algebraic equations. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.